Hello and welcome everyone on today's session. So I'm Yashar Chandra and today I'm gonna trade Bank Nifty. Okay, so this session would be a bit different because today was the expiration day of the 30th of January contracts. Okay, so right now I don't plan on taking any trades because at the live session today I've also not taken any trades. So I just examine the markets and how the market perform basically during an expiration day. Okay, so let's start then. Like I was just examining how the price fluctuates uh, today, and yeah, so I'll just practice that thing on the backtesting session as well. So yeah, let's jump straight to it. There we go with the first candle. Okay, this is a bearish candle, and what I've examined is that the candles. Okay, so although it might be more understandable or relative to you guys, but as I'm a beginner for now, okay, on trading live, so and also the option trading. So what I examine is that during the option expiration day, what happened is that all the contracts just started to have a decrement in their value despite of the momentum. Okay, except if you'll get a big impulsive move, then only the put chart or the call chart gonna just have a relative price action as compared to the index chart. Okay, so as always I've opened three charts. The first one is the index chart, the second one is the call, the put, and the third one is the call chart. Okay, actually I've opened the put chart right over here. Okay, just a second, let me open the call chart first. Okay, so I beg your pardon, just a bit. Okay, so there we go. So on the call chart, okay, so as you know I've opened three charts. The first one is the index chart, the second one is the call chart, the third one is the put chart, and the range of the option chart ranges from 200 to 500 rupees for now, because that was suits my investment amount for now. Okay, so here what you can see is simple enough. On the expiration day, I don't know, maybe due to the decay or everything, I haven't learned that topic right at the moment. Okay, so let's see what we can do over here. There we go. There we have a trend line over here. Okay, so yep, as the chart is moving slightly upward and downward, just a minute, you'll get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so here's another trend line over here, and the criteria for defining a trend line is simple enough: simultaneous or consecutive red or green candles. Okay, not simultaneous, yeah, consecutive red or green candles or green or red candles, but define my POI levels or support or resistance or whatever you're gonna say, like the trend lines or other things. Okay, the trend lines, yeah, there we go. So I'm now gonna take a trade over here, and if I have to see the same price action till 10 a.m., so what I'll observe is that despite of the price moving upwards on the actual index chart, but on the call chart we are seeing a decrementation of the price. Okay, so that's why I have avoided trading today, because even if I'll get a great opportunity to trade, okay, I don't think that the call chart would really have some relativity, okay, with that. So I didn't trade. So yeah, till 10 you can see that, okay, like till, okay, like the charts are bit too different. Okay, just see the price action till this point. So these are completely different from what I have seen, okay, before. See, and if you're gonna compare it with the other day's price point, you'll see some kind of similarity. If I have to highlight this as well, okay, you're gonna see some kind of similarity towards this thing. Yep, see, let me make it a bit of a different color. Second. So you can see that this is like have some kind of similarity, but this doesn't have like much similarity whatsoever. So I'll just avoid this. Okay, avoid trade. So that's why I've avoided trading today. Yep, same for the put chart. Okay, right now we can't say as it's in the bearish moment, sorry, bullish momentum, so it's gonna move on to bearish. So that's working fine for now, but you'll see eventually what I'm talking about. So right now there isn't any opportunity to trade. Right here we have some kind of opportunity at 10:05. There we go. Look, we have a great opportunity. Okay, we have a decent opportunity right here. If we can trade, yep, we can trade, or maybe it will be a great one. Okay, if I have to see, just a second. 10:05. Nope, not a great trade, but it can work though. Like, I have to take ratio 1 over here. Maybe it can work. Nope, it didn't work. See, the reason was that, yeah, that decay was the actual reason behind it, although it was also just right at the POI zones. That's why we have to avoid trading these. Okay, I didn't took any trade today, so you don't have to just relate my performance over this trade. Yeah, that was clearly experimental, but I want to show you guys. So yeah, here you can see, there we go, another breakout. So here there is open space and the POI level are far from each other, so this is a great opportunity for us at the moment, right at 10:25. 10:25, there we go. But yes, still it's right at this level, so I'm not gonna take the trade. So if you have to compare to other charts like the option whose expiration date is on the end of February, so you're gonna see that there is some kind of similarity over here. So we might receive different opportunities on the call chart whose expiration is today, and the call chart whose expiration is 1 month after. Okay, so we're gonna have two different opportunities. Yeah, so that was it. If I have to, just a second, let me open a Fab chart. Around 5, maybe it should be cool. Okay, 5.2 would be great. 5, let's open 5. Still not a decent one. Okay, there we go. So I'm opening another chart whose expiration is a bit far away from today. Okay, so this is for 27th of Feb. So here what you're gonna see is like 10:25. There we go. So it clearly have a completely different opportunity. Okay, but right now, as the market is very choppy and have a large number of wicks, and yeah, there isn't much volume right at the moment, so we won't gonna trade this. Okay, so as always we need momentum, so that way, the greater the volume in the market, so the greater it will follow the index. That what I have seen. So right here we didn't have a great opportunity, but right here what we can see is at 10:50 we have a decent opportunity. 10:50, yep. No, there isn't any breakout. No, clearly great breakout. So you wanna avoid this kind of thing. If we didn't have any great opportunities at even at 11:30, see, when there would be big impulsive move, then only the market gonna follow it on the day on the expiration, like the option chart gonna follow the market. If there would be a big so this is the put chart, so obviously it's gonna get into give the results in reverse. So yeah, that was the only case. Other than that, the market is completely declining. We didn't get any opportunities as well today. The market was a bit choppy. Okay, we are not seeing any like large big candles whatsoever, or the candles which are which have a decent momentum are forming right at the support level or any resistance levels. We won't gonna take or trade them. Yeah, so that was it. Like today's session was kind of choppy, and as well as the overall stock, like the option chart are getting declined, so I didn't do any trade. See, they are clearly declining. Even if there would be a great momentum, like a moderate momentum, so I think even then they might just continue to fall off, and that might be bad. So if you're seeing a complete downtrend over here from 28th, and here in the Nifty there is an uptrend. Yep, so that's what I'm talking about. Like the closer you get to the expiration date, the more the price gonna decline. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna avoid trading on the option days and look forward to the option chart whose expiration is a bit further. Because yeah, here on the February, if you're gonna see, the chart was a bit deviated from the original index chart, but yeah, it was much similar than Yep, so here the Nifty is slightly getting an upward momentum, so it is more similar as compared to this. Yep, so that's what I'm trying to say. Like that's what I've added on my trading notebook as well. Like I shouldn't trade on the expiration date. Yep, because the results might deviate from the actual opportunity that the charts are showing you. So yep, with that, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next session, because tomorrow is gonna be a brand new session with the brand new option charts. So yeah, I'll try if I'll get any sort of opportunities, so I'm gonna trade them, and yep, on the live session as well, and I'm gonna upload a back testing session as always. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next vid.